All right, we are starting surface area. We just finished volume, which is about the inside of what fills that prism or a sphere. We are starting surface area, which means what covers our prism. So this is a rectangular prism. Okay, it's a 3D prism. All right, so if I was going to wrap it, okay, wrap it like a present, how much would it take to cover all the sides? And as you can tell, this piece of paper would not cover it all if I try to wrap it like a present. So lateral, so surface area is about covering the prism. Lateral surface area, okay, if this is my base, and this is my base, the lateral surface area are the sides, okay? The lateral the faces are the sides. Okay, lateral surface area is the faces or the sides. And then total surface area is the sides of the prism and the bases. So the bases are included. So total surface area is everything included. Lateral surface area is just the sides of the prism, okay, or the faces. So how do we find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of our prism? We have the lateral surface area, which we're short for LSA, so that's a lateral surface area. Okay. So, and that's what we're going to use for the S. Where did we get the formula? From surface area right here. Surface area of a prism. S equals PH. So S equals P. Big P. H. S is for surface area. P is perimeter of the base. And height is, this height is height of the prism. Okay, so... Okay, and then we have total surface area. Okay, this is total surface area. Okay, so the first part is from the lateral surface area. The P is the big P is the perimeter of the base. H is the height of the prism. Okay. Then we're going to add and then multiply this. Okay, so 2 stands for 2, and then big B, okay, we talked about big B in volume. Big B stands for area of the base. Okay. So we're going to multiply the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism, then add it to 2 times what is the area of the base, and get our answer for total surface area. All right, let's find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of this rectangular prism. I've shaded the base. Let's first start off with the lateral surface area. That's S equals PH. Okay, so we're going to do the perimeter of the base. Okay, the base is right here. So 5 times 10, okay, 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. Remember, perimeter means add the base. Okay, so 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. And I know that you're going to make this mistake. Just because there's two numbers doesn't mean, don't forget that there's numbers on the other side of the base. It is a rectangle has 4 sides. You should have 4 numbers. So 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. Then what is the height of the prism? Five. Plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. 30. So 30 times 8. So 30 times 8 is 240. Okay, so 240 is the lateral surface area. Okay, the lateral surface area. And then now, what is the total surface area of this prism? So total. So S equals big P H plus 2B. Since this first part comes from this, all I'm going to do is just put it right there in its spot. I don't have to do it again. It's already there. Okay? All right, plus the 2 is going to stay there. Okay? Big B stands for area of the base. Okay? So what is the area of the base? Remember big B? Base times height. So B, H. So I'm going to bring that down, 240 plus 2. Then what is the base of that rectangle base? 10. What is the height of the rectangle base? 5. Okay, so 240 plus then 2 times 10 times 5, 100. And then 240 plus 100 equals 340 inches squared. And now we're back to area. So this is surface area. It is a 2 instead of a 3 for volume. All right, now we're going to practice finding the lateral and surface area of this first prism. Remember, the lateral surface area are just the faces of the base, so the sides of the sides of the prism. The total surface area are the sides of the prism and the top and the bottom base. Okay. All right. Also, even if it's a tall rectangular prism, the base is here. If it is the lateral surface area, it's just the faces of the prism. The total surface area are the faces of the prisms and the top and the bottom base. All right, now we're going to find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of each one.